everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back for another budgeting video. And today we are going to be doing, wait for it, we are going to be making our budget for our March paycheck one. We're already there. We're already here. Already at March. Halfway, don't even believe it. I'm just like, wow, okay. So as you can see, we have a little bit of money, but it's not really going anywhere. It's literally just going into one envelope. So that is for a whole different thing. So this is probably gonna be a pretty quick video, but I'm okay with that, and I hope you are too. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in just 1 second. All right, let's get into it. I halfway can't even believe that I'm already getting my budget ready for March. It feels like just the other day it was already time for closing out for the month. It's just madness. So here we go. Here's what we're going to be having to put away. $1,058 plus $1,731, and that's going to equal $2,789. That's our total that we need to have this equal. Our budget is our usual $300 for envelopes. Mortgage is $1,933. Adobe is $25. We have electricity. Electricity is super high. It's $182 that we're budgeting, which I'm budgeting, but that's based off of what I actually know is owed, because I've already gotten my bill for March, or that will be due in March. And electricity is super high because we had that winter storm. My electricity was on like crazy because my heater was on. Luckily, we didn't lose power, and they didn't have to do all those wild surges and all that other stuff to try to pass along the cost to us, but still super high. So that's going to throw off just a little bit some of my other budget items. So we had water at 91. We had student loans at 55 as usual. We had trash. I'm putting trash at 44, and I hope that's enough. If I have trash that's even old this month. I have Banfield at 54. I have business at 105, and I think that's literally everything. So let's add this up for this one, and let's see what that comes out to. It should come out to $2,789. So 1058 plus 1731, 2,789. Perfect. Okay. 300 plus 1933 plus 25 plus 182 plus 91 plus 55 plus 44 plus 54 plus 105. 2,789. So we've got zero left over. Perfect. So that budget is up and ready to go. And then here is my 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 105 for business. So that is set aside. But we're also going to go ahead and do our budget for our second account, which is here. We need to start doing my envelopes again. I need to keep up with some of my other ways of tracking my budget that I just have not been doing like I should. So this one is 1178. And then, oops, well, that's the actual amount. So what we have here is we have car wash, and we have $15 for that. We have car maintenance, and that's 35. We have annual payments, that's 50. We have stocks, that's 5. And then we have cushion, that gets $5, and then that equals a total of 120. So 15, well, let's see, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. Is that right? Now I'm like, wait a minute. I don't think that's right. Okay, let's actually add this up. 15 plus 35 plus 50 plus 5 plus 5. Oh, it's only supposed to equal 110? Well, that would explain why that was off a little bit. So technically I should have had an extra 10 to bring over there, but I don't. So I'm just going to charge that to the game and just do 15 for cushion. It's fine. And then that's 120, which leaves us with this one with 1058 left over. And then we're going to take that out for transfer. And then that's going to leave us with 0. So that zero's out. And that is both those budgets. So like I said, these are really quick budgets. Never really takes that long. So luckily they move pretty fast, like I was saying. And we're able to be ready to go for the month of March. So I hope your month has been going well. I hope you're having a fantastic time. I hope your budgeting is all the things you dream of. I can definitely say I have been spending more than what I should, but I do feel like I'm finally slowing down just a tad bit, so I'm excited for that. But this is pretty much everything. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all later. Have a great one. Bye-bye.